Maple Systems thanks you for joining us. Make sure to have Easy Builder Pro version 6.05.02 or later. Examination of data integrity. In this tutorial, you will learn how to back up the operation log, use Easy Converter and command line to examine data integrity. Choose Operation Log as file source and enable checksum for data integrity. The second backup object will not have checksum enabled. Let's run the offline simulation. Press the backup button with checksum enabled to back up the operation log. Rename the backup file for differentiation. Press the backup button without checksum enabled. Rename the backup file for differentiation. Make a copy of the operation log file with checksum for tampering. Open the tampered file with SQLite tool. Tamper with the database data. Apply and save the file. Use Easy Converter to examine data integrity. Open the operation log with Easy Converter. The checksum verification result is illustrated with an icon. Question mark represents that the file does not contain checksum for examining data integrity. The check mark represents that all records are complete and no modifications have been made. When Easy Converter opens a file with its content tampered, the alert window below will pop up. X represents that checksum did not match. Records may have been modified or missing. The checksum verification applies to multi-file conversions as well. Click Add File to add the files to be converted. Use Easy Converter to examine data integrity. Open the command prompt with the path of EBPro folder. Enter easyconverter.exe/v-des file. Use parameter/v to enter verification mode. Command line will show validation result in the verification mode. Thank you for watching.